Hi there. So my name is Lisa Avery and I'm the head of coaching here at Rocky.ai. And today I'd like to talk to you about what I believe is the greatest soft skill you can cultivate in 2023. And this is a soft skill that I believe has the power to transform both your personal and professional life and lead you to success, whatever that looks like for you. So this soft skill, it's that of the growth mindset, which you may have heard. You may have heard of. It's kind of been brandished around for the last few years. But I think few people really understand the power of the growth mindset. So human beings are capable of learning and growing literally until the moment they die. It's that famous saying you may have heard, neurons that fire together, wire together. Every time we have a thought, we do something, we say something, the next time it's easier to think it, to do it, to say it. It becomes more automatic. It becomes something of a habit. So literally up until the moment we die, we have that capability, that capacity to learn, to develop and to grow. How do we remind ourselves of this as we're learning new skills? It's really, really useful to remember the power of not yet. Just because you haven't mastered something up to this moment, it doesn't mean that you never will. Again, practice makes perfect. So remembering the power of yet, remembering that we always fail forward, because anytime we make a mistake, this is information. This is information to us. This is a possibility, a chance to learn, to keep refining those skills, to keep growing. So any mistake made is information that can help us become our better selves as we're moving forwards. So the power of yet, the ability to fail forward, and actually the ability to enjoy the process of learning as much as the final outcome. You know, there's this thing in psychology called hedonic adaptation, and it means sooner or later we get used to pretty much everything. That's great when it comes to the negative. That's not quite so great when it comes to the positive. You know, it means that very quickly when good things happen, great, they give us a bit of a thrill for a few minutes, but not for all that long. So focusing on achieving a goal and thinking that the goal is going to make you happy forever, that's not the best way to think about it. What instead is way more helpful, it's focusing on enjoying the process of learning and growth, because that is something you can continually aspire to, and that is something that can give you way more satisfaction forever and ever. So I would encourage you to begin to cultivate your growth mindset. And it just so happens that we have an app that you can download for free that can help you do just that. We'd love for you to download our app, give it a try, let us know what you think. And above all, we'd like to wish you a really happy 2023 and one in which the growth mindset can take you to places you've always dreamed of going. Thank you so much.